In this Marketo connector demonstration, we're going to cover building an email template in JDX for use in Marketo and enabling file syncs to sync assets from JDX to Marketo. At this time, I've already enabled and configured the Marketo connector for the digital site. In order to create an email template, a user must go to the site settings for digital, select the Marketo category, and click on the Marketo email templates. Once there, they can add an email template. By clicking on the plus, they can enter the name of the email template, JDX newsletter. The description is optional, and then they can select a template. With the Marketo connector, we provide one mail template with the connector module. A client can create as many mail templates they want in the JDX and use it as an email template. Once I select the template, I can click Save. And now I can go ahead and configure that email template. By clicking on the design, I can now add in the logo for my email template. I'll select the Acme logo, click Save. I will also add in some content. So I'll add some content in the Marketo area. By clicking on the plus, I can now click on any content. I've created a Marketo rich text component that provides an extra functionality for Marketo. By clicking on OK, you are provided with a Marketo dropdown. This is the leads fields that exist in Marketo that can get replaced when an email gets sent to a user. So here I will type in hey and the first name of the account owner first name. You can add a default value if that value doesn't exist. So in this case, I will just add in John. I will add in the rest of the content to finish this authoring. Now I can click Save. Once I'm satisfied with this email template, I must publish it. The reason why you publish this email template is this email template has an image, and we want to make sure that when an email gets generated using this template, that the image is able to be resolved so that it's not shown as a broken image on a user's email. So once the email template has been published, I can now go back to Marketo email templates and now publish it to Marketo by clicking on the upload. Now by clicking on the upload, I'm provided with the dialog that allows me to select where I want to save this email template. Now Design Studio default emails and the template folder is the only area that you can save the email templates. Now by clicking on OK, JDX will publish this email template to Marketo. We can verify this by going to the Design Studio, Emails, Templates, and check if the newsletter email template has been created. And there we have it. Next, we have a file sync. When an author or a marketer creates an email using the email template in the Marketo platform, they may want to use assets that are in JDX. We have created a way to file sync a folder in JDX directly into Marketo. The way you configure this is when you go to Site Settings, there's a File Sync tab. Here, I can check this and click on this, which allows me to see where I want to, or select where I want to save this file. And this is the Marketo folders in the Marketo platform. So currently, I have it set to the image and files that exist in the Design Studio default workspace image and files. Once I click OK, and then I can click Save. Now I can go to the Document Manager, click on the Marketo folder, right-click to upload a file into that folder. Once I click OK, I see my new image. I now publish this image so that it's available on the live workspace. And it's now published. I can validate that the file has now been synced up to Marketo by going to Design Studio, Image and Files. And you can see that the file is now uploaded to Marketo. One of the components that we created was this rich text, and part of that was it contained a new drop-down with all the placeholders. You can manage all those placeholders in this new tab that exists in the Marketo settings. By clicking on placeholders, you can see all the placeholders that exist for leads as well as company. You can add, remove the placeholders as you desire. This is the end of this demonstration.